Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today I am here with my brand new Cassie 19 from the upcoming Coach Denim Collection. Before we start, I just want to give a shout out to one of my bag sisters here on YouTube, Melanie. She hooked me up with her essay and she got me this bag straight from the warehouse. So thank you sis if you're watching. This bag won't officially be released until March the 1st. So I am so thankful I was able to get my hands on it early. I got a chance to see some of the other bags from the collection and I gotta say that they all are pretty good, but as soon as I saw this Denim Cassie, I just knew I was going to have it. I just think it is the perfect blend of casual denim and a sophisticated design. So we're going to go over the bag. I'm going to show you around the bag. We're going to take a look inside. The details are crazy, so of course I want to show you up close glimpses of everything. Then I want to share a couple of other things from the denim collection, but first let's just take a tour of the bag. So here's a close-up of the bag. The denim on this bag feels so incredibly soft, but it's still durable at the same time. Coach did a great job with the execution. Right up front is the turn lock closure. The stitching is in gold and it is very reminiscent to the stitching on jeans. Here is the side of the bag and of course the Coach hang tag. The leather tab that the D-ring is attached to is in the color indigo. Here is the back of the bag, and here is what I'm talking about as far as the details. Even the curve right here on the pocket looks like a pocket on a pair of jeans. The back pocket is a little tight, but hopefully you can see it's lined in denim. The other side, and then here is the bottom. And the contrast stitching, of course, wraps all around the bag, and even the middle compartments are in denim as well. To get inside of the bag, and I haven't opened the bag yet, so I'm going to be seeing it with you for the first time. So to get inside, you just twist the turn lock closure. The inside is lined in what feels like fabric. Of course, there are 3 compartments, one in the back, one in the middle, and a compartment up front. On the back wall inside the middle compartment is the Coach story patch. There is 1 zipper compartment, and on each side there are little leather tabs. All of the Cassies, of course, come with 3 different straps. So it comes with this chain strap, which I am primarily going to carry it with, along with this top handle strap. I'm just going to attach it on. Now, I don't normally like chains or anything like that hanging from my bag, but on this Denim Cassie, it just looks so good. So that is exactly how I'll be wearing it. And here it is with the top handle and the chain strap attached. The third strap that comes with it is a crossbody strap. Now, I'm not going to be using this strap. For me, this bag is strictly going to be a top handle bag, but if you prefer to wear a crossbody, then of course it does come with the bag. Now, one concern that I had with this Denim Cassie is the fact that the denim is so light, but I'm going to end up spraying it with Scotch Guard just to add a layer of protection. I just want to try to protect it for as long as I can. Other than that, I'm not too worried about wear and tear on this bag. I rotate through my bags every couple of days, so I think that it should hold up really well. So I'm currently carrying my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. I'll be taking everything out of this bag, which I don't really have much inside. And I'm just going to put everything in the Cassie just to show you what fits inside. Everything may not fit, but we're definitely going to give it a try. So inside of my Speedy, I'm carrying my full-size MCM wallet. This wallet, of course, is not going to fit inside, so I'm not even going to waste my time with it. So I'm just going to move everything out of the way and then we're going to put everything in the Cassie. So really quickly, here's another look inside the bag. So I'm primarily going to just use the center compartment. I'm not going to use the back or front compartment. I mean, you can easily fit your phone there, but I don't normally use the front pocket. Everything is just going to go right in the center compartment. So in this bag, I'm going to carry my Gucci card case wallet. And of course, it just fits right in. My Louis Vuitton card case, my Gucci key pouch, chapstick, and a hand sanitizer. So this hand lotion will fit inside, but I would kind of have to move stuff around, and this isn't really that important, so I'm just going to leave it out, and it closes right up. So there it is with everything inside. I would say this is a small bag, but depending on how you pack it and if you utilize all of the compartments, it definitely can pack a punch. There are a couple more bags from this denim collection that I'm sort of interested in, so I want to go over some of them as well. Coach really outdid themselves with this entire collection. This is by far the best denim collection that I have seen from Coach in a long time. First up is the denim quilted tabby. I think this is really the one that everyone is interested in. So it comes in indigo and then also black denim. I'm going to be stopping by a Coach boutique soon to see if I can see it in person. I did have the quilted tabby 20 in the color buff, and it didn't work out for me, so I ended up not keeping that one. So I don't know if the denim one will work. It does also come in the size 26, but I already have the black leather one in that size sitting right there in the bag, and I don't know if I really want two in the same size. The next bag that caught my eye is the denim swinger. Now I had the denim swinger from last year's collection. I don't even think I showed it to you guys because I didn't keep it for long. I had it for about a week. I was sitting on it trying to figure out whether or not I liked it, and I ended up not keeping it. I even bought the chain link strap to go with it, but I ended up not keeping it because I just wasn't a fan of the signature print on it, and I kept telling myself if Coach came out with it without the signature print, then I would get it, and they came out with it without the signature print. But now that I have the Cassie, I'm not sure if I still want it. I'm gonna think it over a couple of days, but what do you guys think? Another one that caught my eye was the denim Soho bag. The Soho is sort of an archival piece that Coach recently brought back. When they brought it back, there was a little bit of controversy around the leather that they used with it. I want to say that it was bonded leather. Now, I'm not sure if there's bonded leather on the denim Soho, but the style of it is really, really cute. Another piece that caught my eye is the denim quilted card holder. Now, if I end up purchasing the denim quilted tabby, then I'm definitely getting this because it just goes perfectly with it. I just love the quilting on it and the indigo blue leather, so I'm thinking about this one as well. There are so many pieces coming out with this collection. There's an essay from overseas that posted a lot of the collection on his Instagram page. I'm going to insert one of the pictures he posted, and I'll also link his Instagram in the description. As you can see, there is a quilted denim heart bag, a quilted mirror bag, a rogue top handle, a willow 24, a soft tabby. There are just a lot of different pieces, and you guys, this isn't even everything. The entire collection is already really popular online, so I would say if you have your eyes on anything from this collection, get it while you can. So here it is, you guys, my new Denim Cassie 19. I absolutely love this bag, and I am so glad I was able to get it early ahead of the official launch. Now, I want to be honest, I did have a moment of hesitation right after ordering it because I just didn't know if the denim would suit the Cassie 19, but this is a really pretty bag, and I am so glad that I have it. It does also come in dark denim as well, so if light denim isn't your thing but you want it in denim, that is also an option. And again, the entire collection isn't out yet, but it's supposed to be available on March the 1st, and I believe it'll be available for insiders a couple of days before. So if you're not an insider, I would definitely recommend becoming one. It's totally free, and that way you'll have access to the collection before the official drop. So you guys, let me know, what do you think about my new Denim Cassie? Are you going to be picking one up? Do you have your eyes on anything else from the denim collection? I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you guys really soon in my next video.